This video will show you how to view your saved password in Windows 11. So for that, first head to the search menu and then type in Credential Manager. Now select the first result that appears. Now in here you won't be able to see the passwords that are under Windows credentials. If I expand this, I can only see these dots. However, if you go to web credentials, here you will see this option to view the password. So if I click on show here, for instance, it immediately shows me the password. There's also another way to do this. So for that, open your default web browser. Now here click on this three dot icon at the top and then go to settings. In here go to autofill and passwords. Now here select the password manager option. Now here you will need to select your account for which you want to see the password. Finally enter your PIN to verify, and here you should see this eye icon that reveals the password. You can also copy it from here. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.